Today you'll take your quiz for Section 14.4 in Social Studies. Be sure to put your name, the date, and class period at the top of the page. The first section is matching. Here are your vocabulary words. A, credit. B, legal. C, literacy. D, short in duration. E, tenant farmers. Number 1, this is the ability to read and write. Number 2, these people farmed a landlord's estate. Three, this word means brief. Number 4, this word means to purchase goods with loaned money. Number 5, this word means permitted by law, meaning you can do it by law. The next section is multiple choice. Number 6, the largest group of whites in the South was made up of A, plantation owners, B, the rural poor, C, tenant farmers, or D, yeomen. Number 7, the main goal of large plantation owners was to A, enslave people, B, produce more cotton, C, earn a profit, or D, build a larger plantation. Number 8, who was the religious leader who led a slave revolt in 1831? Was it A, Eli Whitney, B, Frederick Douglass, C, Harriet Tubman, or D, Nat Turner? Number 9, African American folk songs that expressed the passionate beliefs of the South's enslaved workers were called what? A, overseers, B, slave codes, C, spirituals, or D, yeomen. Number 10, the network of safe houses that assisted runaway the network of safe houses that assisted runaway enslaved people were known as what? A, the runaway homes, B, the secret passage, C, the slave code, or D, the Underground Railroad.